Hello, welcome to another episode of Autism Takes On, and today we're gonna make some healthy homemade juice. Now, today we're gonna have a recipe for you, and that is juice. Now you might ask, well, why do I need to make juice? Why can't I just buy it in a bottle at the store? Well, this is this food is healthy, and when you put it in a juice, it makes it healthier than a juice that you can buy at the store.
Great. What kind of juice are we making today?
You can call it whatever you want. You can call it a dagwood juice, because it has everything in it.
Oh, a dagwood juice, okay.
You can also call it V8.
Oh, like also, a homemade V8 juice, good.
So, let's get juicing. Now you need to put the juicer together first. This is not all in it. Okay, I'll put the red thing in here. Your juicer at home might function a different way, but let's work with what we have. Here we go. And now this thing, it spirals when the juicer is working. Like that.
Oh, I see. You line up the dots.
Yep.
Okay.
Here's the blade. Now at the top. And here's something to ram down the ingredients with. And now we plug it in. Of course. Right here is the on-off switch. Up is on. Down is reverse. Now you have to hold the reverse down if you want it to go in reverse, which I don't know why you would. But, cool feature, no? Okay, now we have grapes here. We have, I think this is zucchini.
Cucumber.
Cucumber.
English cucumber.
Yeah, English cucumber. Here's some pineapple. Some grapefruit. Some orange. Oops. And some apple. And no, apple seeds are not really poisonous if in small amounts, so you can keep the seeds in. And now you want to use Granny Smith apples because they are very hard and go into the juicer much easier than other apples. And so use these apples unless you want to make applesauce. Then you can use very soft apples, very mushy. But we're not going to make that today, so I don't know, maybe we'll have a different episode featuring that.
And what's the green stuff in there? Do we know?
I think it's spinach.
Okay.
Oh, I forgot to mention the carrots.
Yes.
The carrots you want to put in last because the fibers push the other ingredients out. So you want to use them last, which is what we are going to do. Okay, now let's get juicing. Now we're going to place the smaller two of the bowls here where the pulp comes out, and we're going to put the bigger one where the juice comes out, which is here. Let's turn this thing on. Down it goes. You're gonna have to mix it up afterwards. Okay, here's the tapper. You rarely have to use this thing, but if something gets stuck, you tap gently for it to go down. Like this. As you can see, we don't have any use for the tapper as of the moment. Who knows, we might need to use the tapper. Getting some good juice there. Now let's put some pineapple. Ah, the fresh scent. Now let's put some grapefruit in. Let's put some grapes in there as well. Gotta get a lot of grapes in there because they're very small. You probably already know that. Yes, you can juice your leafy greens or purples. You get the idea. Put some orange in there. And some apple. And as you expected, we end with a carrot.
Okay, so now what I understand is that you would go all the way through again and keep going round and round until you get it all done, correct?
Correct. Okay, now we're at the end of the juice. Put some grapefruit, apple, pineapple, and as I said, we're ending with a carrot. And here's our juice. Look at the charge of this bowl. It's almost full. Here's the rainbow of goodness. Here it is. We're gonna mix this rainbow of goodness with our bacon colored spatula. Bacon colored, not bacon flavored, so don't eat it. Almost unbreakable. And now let's mix it up. Okay, now there's no more pulp coming out, so we can turn it off. We can turn it off right now. And with this bowl, we take the rest of the pulp out. Now we try the juice. Got some good juice. Okay, right here is a mason jar. You can put the juice in mason jars and it can last 3 to 4 days. Drink up. Okay, I hope you liked what you saw. Do not try this at home. I'm kidding. You can do it at home if you want. Just don't pause in the middle of the video. That's why you don't do that. Oh. Okay, now let's get juicing. This is where the pulp comes out, so you want a bowl there. We're going to put the smaller of the two there. And whoops. Now let's mix it with our bacon colored spatula. Do not eat this. This is bacon color, not bacon flavor.
Okay, hold on, stop. Go back out.
One of the only fruits you can't juice is bananas, but it's bananas to use these.
Haha.
You might think I'm Captain Obvious, which I am. I like being obvious. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.